Alright, hi you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nia, and on this channel we do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, all the vibes. So if you're interested, go ahead and subscribe.
She like it on me. I like the way she take it. They like my picture. That make her jealous, she won't say it.
Today I have jumbo knotless braids, and we are going to go through the different hairstyles you can do with your knotless braids. I've seen a bunch of these videos for like medium to small braids, like really small and then like up to medium braids, but I haven't seen as many for jumbo, and I think it's kind of a little bit harder to do so many styles with jumbo because they are such big parting. But I think that the hairstyles that I haven't come up with any of these. I'm not a creator of any of these hairstyles, but the hairstyles that I have been liking to do and kind of experimenting with my knotless braids, I want to share them with you so that if you ever get braids and you want inspiration, then yeah, let's go through it and let's see all of the good little hairstyles that I have for you today. Okay, so here we go. We're starting off with the most basic, obviously. This is just gonna be a middle part, straight down the middle, hanging out, whatever. I don't really like this style because I feel like it makes my head look boxy, so that's why I always pull down like these little face framing pieces. You can kind of tuck it behind your ears, make it look cute. You know the vibes, middle part. Okay, really similar vibes, just moving it into a side part now. We're starting out with the basic ones, but this one is really cute. Gives me Nia Kajumulo vibes, like little side part, box braids, super cute. It's so simple, but you never know. Okay, so next one, I'm going to pull the top like 3-4 braids, no, top 2 braids it looks like, behind my hair, and then leave the 2 sideburn pieces right above my ear out, and I'm gonna actually tuck it and tie it with just like a little hair elastic underneath the rest of the braids, like pulled back, tucked underneath instead of over, just because I like that kind of like hidden look better than it tied behind the back of the head. But I like this look because I feel like it pulls the box braids away from your face, so you can kind of show your face a little bit more, but it also still looks really cute. All right, moving on to one of my favorites. For some reason, I like the look of the box braids pulled out of my face the best. Like, I just prefer it. I'm pulling all of them up into a like high pony kind of, and it's really important to get them all to lay flat. So you're gonna see me mess with them after I tie them up and like pull them just to get them really snatched and laid flat onto my head, because otherwise they'll get a little bit bumpy since they are such big braids. But I really, really like this look because it just is giving, you're watching me struggle, but it's just giving really cute, like, you know, girl on the go type vibes, and I just love it. Okay, so now you're gonna see me pull the front 2 pieces out, which I am obsessed with. I love these little face framing pieces. They're just so cute to me, and I feel like, boom, added just gorgeousness to the ponytail, and it's my favorite. Okay, I know I keep saying that these are my favorite, but this is my favorite as well. I love this. I'm just tying it up into a high bun, and honestly, you don't even need a hair tie. You can just wrap it super tightly, but I'm leaving, oh, missed something. I'm leaving those face framing pieces out again because look at how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Is this a joke? Is this a joke? All right, so now I am again leaving those face framing pieces out because I obviously am obsessed with them, but I'm just pulling my hair back into a low, oh, not me sweating, sis. Is it really that hard? I'm just pulling it back into kind of a low pony and leaving those pieces out again because, like I said, I'm obsessed. This is not my favorite look, but this is definitely like something I would do if I was working out or something because it's the easiest to keep them out of your face. Okay, now I'm just really quickly showing you can do a low bun too, but the hair tie, I'm already using it for the ponytail, so I didn't have one, so I just was holding it up for you for a second, and I think this is super cute, cuter than the pony. Okay, listen here or else, listen here or else. This is my absolute favorite hairstyle, so I'm pulling up like 2, 4, 5. I'm pulling up 5 pieces on each side, 5 braids on each side, pulling them up into a half up, half down. You're gonna make sure that it's tied securely, sis, like tight. You want to snatch your face up so high. It's never been snatched so high before in your life. Wrapping the elastic around, but then, we're checking for something. Yes, everything's good. I'm wrapping the elastic around, and then you're going to see me take one of the pieces after I tighten them up, and I'm just taking a piece and wrapping it around the base of the ponytail so that you don't see the hair elastic, and then it kind of adds a more seamless look, seamless style to it. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. You can also use a scrunchie if you want to. That's super cute, but I just am obsessed with this. Okay, so now you're gonna see me pull out one of the face framing pieces because I think this is so adorable just to have one out. Like, are you kidding me? Look at how cute that is. I'm obsessed with it. I literally am obsessed with the way this looks. Okay, so now I am pulling out the second piece, just those face framing pieces again. Oh, it's kind of hard, sis. It looks like it's kind of hard. And then I'm just gonna keep that ponytail up and retie and tighten it just so that it still looks snatched. But this again is so cute to me. I love it. I love the front too, just because again, it kind of just adds some pizzazz to a basic ponytail when you pull out the front two pieces, and there's so many ways you can wear them and so many things you can do with it. Adorable. Okay, so still same hairstyle, but I'm flipping those pieces over to a kind of like side part I was doing, which is super cute as well. I love the side part. Now I am actually tying them kind of behind my back. I don't have another hair tie, but I would like use a hair tie to tie it behind my back because I feel like this gives me like princess vibes when I put it behind my back. It just looks so cute behind my back, behind my neck. I don't know what I'm saying. You can see. And then just pulling them out and then flipping it back over to the side again because that is adorable. I love this look. I actually took an Instagram picture, I think, with this hairstyle, and it was perfect. Okay, so last style, I'm just going to wrap it around in a bun at the top. This is not my favorite. I don't know. I don't like it. You can see the pieces of my actual hair coming out of the end just because my hair is so short. But this could be cute, but I just don't like it on my head for some reason. Alright guys, those are all the hairstyles that I have been inspired by and loving with my braids. I hope that you guys found some sort of inspiration. I love to watch these videos. There's so many queens who have so many cute hairstyles and I'm like, oh yes. But it's funny because like you'll try them on yourself and you're like, absolutely not. Absolutely not. That's not something we're gonna be doing over here. So anyway, it's really just like whatever you personally feel like is for you. I really like this one. I also really like the high bun with two hairs out. I just like the framing that they give me. Like, I just love it. I love it. I just love the frame that it gives you. I think that it's super cute. I also think that this one is super cute where you flip them over to the side because it kind of gives you like a little swoop bang. She's cute, she got a swoop bang. I love that. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope that you guys got some sort of inspiration. Let me know what your favorite hairstyle is. What number was your favorite hairstyle? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.